In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate international markets in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a new market, target specific countries, and enable local currencies so your international customers have a smoother shopping experience. Let's start inside your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, look over at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Scroll until you find the option called Markets. Go ahead and click that. This is where Shopify lets you organize different regions or countries into separate markets so you can customize how your store appears to customers around the world. At the top right of the Markets page, you'll see a button that says Create Market. Click that to start setting up a new international market. Shopify will prompt you to give this market a name. You can choose something simple and descriptive, like international, worldwide, or maybe the name of a region you're targeting, such as Europe or Asia Pacific. The name is for your internal use, so pick something that helps you easily recognize what this market covers. Next, you'll configure which customers belong to this market. Under the Include section, click on Add Condition. A pop-up will appear where you can select the country or countries you want to add to this market. Take a moment here to think about which regions you actually want to serve. You can always adjust this later, but it's helpful to start with your main target countries. Once you've selected your countries, you'll see options to control how the store looks and behaves for shoppers in those locations. You can choose what currency will be displayed to them, which products will be available, which store theme you want to use, and what language they'll see. For example, you might limit certain products to specific regions or show a different theme tailored to a particular audience. Make sure these settings align with your inventory, shipping capabilities, and brand strategy. After you've set all of this up, look near the search bar at the top of the page and click Save. This part is easy to miss, but it's essential. If you don't save, your new market and all of its settings won't be applied. Now let's enable local currencies so customers can shop in their own currency where possible. In the lower left corner of your Shopify admin, click on Settings. Once you're inside the settings area, look again at the left-hand panel and select Payments. To use local currencies, Shopify Payments needs to be available in your region. If Shopify Payments is supported for you, click Add Payment Method under Supported Payments and search for Shopify Payments. Follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Shopify will then allow you to enable local currencies for your international markets, so customers abroad can see prices in their own currency and pay more confidently. If Shopify Payments isn't available in your country, you still have alternatives. You can connect other payment providers, such as a PayPal business account or a service like 2Checkout, depending on what's supported in your region. While these may not offer the same level of currency localization as Shopify Payments, they still let international customers pay using widely accepted payment methods. Once your payment method is configured, go back to your market section and review the settings for your new international market. Confirm the countries included, the currency display, the product availability, your chosen theme, and language preferences. It's a good idea to test your storefront using a VPN or Shopify's preview options to see how things appear as an international customer. That's all you need to activate international markets in Shopify. You've created a dedicated market, tailored it to your target countries, and enabled payment options that support local currencies where possible. With this setup, your store is much better prepared to serve customers around the world in a way that feels local and trustworthy.